Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of convenient parenting with the Baby Food Maker Chopper Grinder, an 8-in-1 processor designed to make meal prep for your little ones a breeze. This versatile device allows you to steam, sterilize, cook, juice, warm, defrost, puree, and chop, all with the touch of a button, thanks to its intuitive touch control panel. With a unique 3-tier basket design, you can prepare 3 separate meals simultaneously, saving you precious time. Safety is a top priority, with a stirring cup made from Tritan plastic, free from BPA, phthalate, and lead, and it meets ETL safety certification standards. Plus, cleaning is a snap since the stirring cup is dishwasher safe, giving you more time to spend with your family. Not only is it functional, but its stylish design ensures it fits seamlessly into any kitchen interior. Compatible with a 110 volts power network, this baby food processor is the perfect time-saving solution for busy moms and dads. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.